King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, if you are interested in learning how to make this beautiful glitter gloss, then keep on watching. So I already have about 3.8 ounces of Get Sucker gloss base in one bowl, and I'm going to add some tablespoons of coconut oil to the second bowl. We're going to go ahead and add our hydrogenated polyisobutene to the oil mixture. This helps give your gloss extra shine and smoothness. Since this gloss is going to be a magenta type of color, I decided to use the Frosted Fruits flavoring oil from Get Sucker. Lastly, I'm going to use this TKB sample fuchsia color, and I'm going to add this to the oil mixture. Going to go ahead and mix all those goodies together. So my camera actually cut off when I was pouring the oil mixture into the gloss base. I've been having trouble saving storage on my phone, so that's why I haven't been uploading as much, because it's been really difficult trying to record and upload. But anyways, this is how the beautiful gloss turned out. I did get a comment on one of my videos asking for me to show you guys how to do the glitter glosses. So that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. So you just want to have some chunky glitter and use this little spoon that I got from TKB Trading. It will be linked in the description below. And you're just going to scoop some of that glitter into the squeeze tube, give it a nice shake, and then you're going to add your gloss in, and it's that simple. But you want to make sure that you add the glitter inside of all of the squeeze tubes first, just so that once you start filling the tubes, it'll be a lot more easier. You don't have to go back and forth, back and forth. So of course now I'm going to go ahead and start to fill my tubes with my 20 milliliter syringe. And this is how the beautiful outcome should look. Nice and beautiful with the chunky glitter. Feel free to use any color that you want. I chose this color just because I haven't done it yet. I wanted to show you guys something different. But feel free to use any gloss color that you would love, and you'll get the same outcome with this chunky glitter look. After filling my 9 squeeze tubes, this is the beautiful outcome. I hope you guys love it, and I hope that this was helpful. Also, here's a lip swatch of the gloss itself without the glitter. I just really wanted to show you guys the color itself because it's really pretty. Now we're going to go ahead and give these glosses a gloss bath. Gloss baths are great for giving your gloss some extra sanitization and to help prevent your tubes from being sticky. Guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and be on the lookout for some spooky glosses because Halloween is right around the corner. Love you guys. See you in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.